Nice and easy.
Oh.
Hey, man, that's questionable etiquette, dude.
What are you talking about?
Oh, that's my partner. Keep drawing, baby. Get on the green. Get on the green. Oh, he went the water.
Go.
Get in there.
Go. Go.
There
Get
she
the birdie.
is. Get in there. Oh, son of a bitch. So I'm gonna aim right down in between the bunker and the pine. Okay.
Dillon bought that driver after he wrapped Platoon.
It's an old school driver. I use an old beat up driver to make things even. Oh, Kevin, you suck.
That's in play.
All right.
That'll be fine.
I know, it's just terrible.
I mean, it was an awful shot, but he'll play.
Cart golf. Cart golf.
All right, partner. Get back down. Come back down.
Clear the box, please. Thank you.
Don't worry, Connolly's up.
Partner. That's gonna be fairway all day.
That's about 120 maybe.
That's more than not going to hurt me. That's a perfect shot.
I know.
All right.
I would call it a
All
perfect
day.
shot.
Yeah, I mean, it's
It's like my 9-iron.
Combine your 2 shots. And in the fairway, not in the rough.
He's right. I would take his over.
Yeah, that's.
Oh, look at that. That's just a guy at a 2 hitting the ball well.
2 handicapped. Sandbagger beating up on us. I mean, we really have no chance. I mean, with the guy.
That's short. I can't reach that.
It's a
far.
battle here, KD. It's a battle.
It's a battle right now.
yeah,
We're
it
in
is.
it.
I think you're in the fairway, right?
I'm way short. Oh no, I'm up here. So
That's you right there.
was that me there?
Fairway, and I'm right up front.
Terrible. I got a long way in from here.
All right, so what are we at? What is this here? What are we looking at here?
The pin's over there on
Pin's
the
way
right
right.
side.
Nah.
I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I love it. I love it over there.
Where am I?
Straight of the green.
Can I chip it?
Yeah, your chip putt.
Oh no, I'm hooking everything now. Hit the tree, straight down. Damn it.
All right.
It's a hard shot to hook when it's down here. Like
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Be good.
Get on the green. Get on there. I can't, my eyes suck. Where'd it go?
Right off the fringe.
So you
Right
went
side
over?
of the green. Right side of the green. No, I gotta look.
Okay, good. Good shot, bro. Good shot. Oh yeah.
Good ball. Look at that.
That's as good as
Sandbagger.
that's
What
as
a
good as I-
sandbagger.
Sit.
That's a 2, just attacking the hole. Attacking the hole is what that is.
I wouldn't call that attacking the hole. He's lucky to be on the green.
Yeah, he's a little. He might be off. You're right here.
By the way, you probably struck here and he doesn't. I don't know.
That's yeah. Well, Connolly definitely knows.
The fact that they're making me only a 10 the way I'm hitting the ball right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got to win this one.
Oh, yeah.
Is anybody stroking here?
All 3 of you.
This is number 1 hole.
This is the hardest hole on the course.
Supposedly.
Oh, ranked.
15th iron hole.
I like it.
Be good.
I like it. Get on the pin. Be the right club today. You hear that?
Did you hole out?
I don't know. There's a lot of noise over there. I don't know. But my fans, they love me.
Yeah. That's my partner right there.
Imagine if I was trying.
Yeah.
I'm so fucking cocky.
That's a great shot, though. Let's see.
Well, I knew I hit a good one as soon as I hit it.
Did you go in? Oh, okay.
You know, I mean, I'm good though.
Hey, that is
Big
great.
red par
dude.
safe.
That is fucking great.
That's a good shot.
Good putt. Good putt.
Wow, KC.
Casey and the Sunshine Band.
Well, you got mud on that ball, or roll it out further.
It's a mud ball.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Oh, hey, it was a good read. You're behind the hole. Your original read might have been better.
Okay, big putt, KD.
Oh, I suck. I am so
Dodge
bad
one.
right now. I'm not
Dodge
following
one.
through. Damn it. I jabbed at it. That's because I haven't played it 5 months. Get in there! Yeah, that's my partner!
Oh!
Yeah, baby!
First lead of the day.
Yeah!
First lead of the day.
Nice putt.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah, baby.
Let's get
Fuck
it.
these guys.
Let's get it.